edges are folded up. So we're going to take our glue and put a little bit on one of those 1/4 inch flaps. I need to refill my glue. Taking too long for it to run to the head. The bottom. There we go. Okay. Now you're going to take the fold and turn it over and line it up with the bottom of your card about in the center. Doesn't have to be exact. But keep it straight on the edge. Don't go over the edge. I should get the scoreboard out of here so you can see better. At the edge is where your fold is. Press it down, hold it down a little bit. Give it a second to dry. Okay, now fold over your middle fold, and then you have your other 1/4 inch fold, which I can see I folded crooked. Let me get that straight. Okay, now we're going to put glue on this top outer 1/4 inch fold. A little flap here. Edge to edge. But not too much. Okay, now you're going to fold your 2 inch piece over that. Get it to the inside and press on it. Shouldn't be sticking out at all. Hold it down, let it dry. I'm sorry, I'm off camera. I'll show you where our pieces are. We've glued 1/4 inch flap here. The flap is on the bottom, not over the edge. And then the other 1/4 inch we glued up here. The flap is also on the bottom, not over the edge. And our fold is in the middle. Somehow my camera has zoomed in, so I'm not... What I'm thinking is in camera is not in camera. You could see that. You see our 1/4 inch edge here? It's a little messy on the glue, but when it dries, I can just rub it off. So 1/4 inch flap is here, and the other one is on the other side, attached to the 2 inch piece. The fold is in the center. Let's see what you can see here. So that when we stand it up, you pull out your little flap, and it stands right up. And it goes this way. Now that you can see the card standing up. Not the right angle for that. So you see these flaps do close. You really don't need a magnet. If you want, you could put a magnet in there, but not necessary. Now when you want to send a card, all you do is open up the flaps, write your sentiment in the center, whatever you want to put on here. You can put a little small photo, or another little saying. If you have some stamps, you could stamp something on here. And that's your card. It's an EASEL card. Something different from your everyday birthday card. Or whatever card. It doesn't have to be a birthday card, obviously. So I hope you enjoyed that. I enjoyed making it. It's drying now, and I can feel it getting harder. So don't remember, as your glue dries, everything's going to harden more. The little embellishments are popped up a little bit. See, not too much, and we can't see what's under there. By using a little piece of chipboard and those, or cereal box cardboard glued together in a You don't need a big piece. No, 4 by 6, 5 by 7, and then just cut it up in 1/4-inch strips when it's dry and hardened. And then you just cut them up as you need them. Save money. I don't buy foam squares. You really don't need them. Okay, so that's our card. So please hit the like button if you liked this card. If I explained it enough, I mean, I did make a bunch of big mistakes. Not big mistakes, but mistakes in cutting. But it came out well. So please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you'll receive a notification when I put up a new video. And I'll be back very shortly. Thank you very much.